The former Kaizer Chiefs coach Zwane has publicly addressed his recent exit from the Soweto Giants to take on a new role at Amazulu FC. The club officially confirmed Zwane's appointment as co-coach for Amazulu FC. In his new position, Zwane will partner with Vusimuzi Vilakazi, stepping in to replace the recently dismissed Pablo Franco Martin and Aito van den Broel. Both coaches face the challenge of revitalizing Amazulu, who have struggled significantly at the start of the 2024-2025 season, losing all three of their opening league matches and finding themselves at the bottom of the Betway Premiership table. Zwane, affectionately known as 10-111, reflected on his extensive 24-year tenure with the Amakhosi, expressing deep gratitude to the club's hierarchy for their unwavering support throughout his career at Naturena. Zwane said, "I would definitely like to extend my deepest gratitude to Dr. Khoza Motaung for the unwavering support, guidance and love throughout my Chiefs career as a player and a coach." He emphasized how Motaung's belief in him facilitated his journey from a player to development coach and ultimately to head coach. He added that, "I'm truly thankful for the opportunities the club has provided. They have shaped not just my career but my life. So thank you to Kaizer Chiefs and thank you to the chairman." Zwane's coaching journey at Chiefs began as an assistant to Vladimir Vermezovic from 2010 to 2012 after he transitioned to the club's development structures. In 2020, he returned to the first team, working under coaches like Gavin Hunt, Stuart Baxter, and Mole Fintseki. His appointment as head coach in June 2022 came at the request of the club's loyal supporters who hoped he could turn the club's fortunes around. As Zwane embarks on this new chapter with Amazulu FC, all eyes will be on his efforts to steer the club back to competitive form. Please like, comment, share and subscribe for more sports news.